Hey, it's Tony from Hobbit Racing. Welcome back to the channel. And if I got a treat today, let's just say I've been waiting. I've been waiting for a girl like you to come into my life. All right, in all seriousness, that was probably a horrible impression. But I've been waiting for this girl. Oh boy. The excitement has never been higher when you pre-order a car that you want in a livery, even though I know lots of folks have had their fun with the test car. And thank you, Amanda's Hobbies. Again, I don't get paid by them, but I have no problem in letting you all know that this is now the fourth car that I've gotten from them. And yeah, sure, did I have to pay the full discounted price up front and then wait 5 months for the car? Yes, I did. But I received quite a healthy discount by paying that full price and then waiting for it. And we all know what it is. Come on. Oh my goodness. There's NSR goodness all wrapped in this bubble. I just have to find my way to the end. I just have to find my way to the end of the bubble wrap rainbow. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. There it is, right there. Targa Florio winner. 1972. Oh man. All right, this is my first NSR in the new jewel boxes. I know there's pros and cons out there about these jewel boxes. Boy, that looks sharp though, doesn't it? Wow. That looks incredibly sharp. Just wow, wow, wow. Whew. Okay, let's go. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm doing with this new jewel box. I guess I got to get my thumbnail. I guess I got to get a sharper thumbnail. Ooh. Oh. Open us up. Oh, yeah. It's sharp. I saw these up at Cloverleaf when I was there. Not this car. I saw the new jewel boxes. Yeah, very similar stuff, obviously. We even have a suggested retail price on here. But we've got the very similar information that we always expect from NSR on here in the liveried version, telling you exactly where it came from in terms of the race livery. And boy, oh boy, wow, that car is so sharp. That is just beautiful. My goodness, I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you, Lola. Half twist and get in my car, please. Okay, apparently not. We've got more than that. Come on, come on. There we go. We're full twist. Let's shed some light on this car. Hang on a second. Get out of the way. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. That is stinking beautiful. Oh my. My, oh my. Mm. Mm. I like playing around with paint and decals, but I also like the nature and the collection of the liveried cars. Oh man. Oh man. And ready for it? We all know what's coming. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. That lightweight chassis underneath there, but that tried and true pod and that shark. I'm going to break this in very nice and slowly. Got our 3-point connections. We've got our zero grips on the front. Quick slicks will go on the back, or super tires. I haven't decided yet. You know, out of the box, the magnet is in the front. I'll use it for weight. We'll figure out if I'm going to need it there. We'll figure out if I'm going to need other magnets. I'm going to change this guide to an NSR Deepwood guide. We'll still use the super soft NSR braid that comes in there. I'm going for my track. I want to use the Deepwood guide. Boy, this car is just beautiful. Let's put it back down on the track for a minute and look at it this way. Take a look at the specifications of this car. This car is very much an expected good runner. Lots of people have done the testing and tuning and worked out very many things about this car. I think someone even said you can put the 9083 body right on top of this. Hey, that's great. I don't even have any 9083s. I have a lot more NSR GT than I have NSR Classic. Got a lot of Porsche. Got a lot of Porsche. A lot of Porsche in my NSR Classic variety 91710s, 917Ks. But I'm excited for this car. Just, willing to wait for it, I think, is the expression. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. When you think about it, it just, these liveries, the two liveries that were in yellow came out a little bit earlier, and now the liveries from Targa Florio, and it's just, man, it looks like it's so hot. It looks like it's moving without even moving. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, boy, such a great car. I hope you guys got yours, whether you chose the number 8, the winning livery, or you chose the 16. Listen, hey, it's not about necessarily collecting every winning car, but this car spoke to me. So I saw the number 8, and that was the one that I picked undoubtedly. And get it from, again, I tell you all the time, get it from where you need to get it from. It doesn't matter. Just show some love to all your online retailers and distributors. But this was a long awaited, and I'm getting excited. I should look over at the calendar and try and take a peek at the next time we're running NSR Classics. Of course. How could I forget? How silly of me, as I'm behind in getting out other content. We raced a couple weeks ago. The very next race, NSR Classics and Can-Am. So I could run this in Can-Am. Of course, I could run it in Can-Am. And then I could run it not in NSR Classics. If I ran it in Can-Am, we don't allow you to run the same car NSR qualifying in both of those in the same day. You could run 2 NSRs, but they'd have to be different cars. Like I could run my 91710 in Can-Am, and then I could run this car in NSR Classics. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have some work to do to tune it, but just absolutely beautiful car. Really like the Shark 21.5. Does fantastic. Maybe going to take those tires down a little bit. Probably going to put the 4mm NSR spacers inside of there and do the work that really helps that car lose its kind of steering, if you'll allow the expression. But I'm excited to see how this chassis does with all this lightened work, with all these gaps that are cut out of it. Otherwise, I expect it to be very similar to a 91710. I expect it to be very similar to a 9083. But otherwise, man, for me, this car is all about the looks. Absolutely all about the looks. So go ahead and get yourself one if you're interested.
Well, that is a shiny new object if I've ever seen one. And let's hope the shine never wears off. Hey, I haven't even given it one lick of a lap. I'm going to break in that 21.5 motor. Nice and proper. And yeah, can't wait to get some laps in on this car. Maybe I'll even give my tuning take, although I think there's lots of tuning takes out there on this car. And hey, it's an NSR. And as Harry said a few days ago, man, they sure give a damn. So we know what we're getting into when we get an NSR. So thanks for watching. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes and leave me some feedback. And don't forget to turn those notifications on. Thanks.
If you don't subscribe to Hobbit Racing, I'll poke you with my staff. Pokey, pokey, pokey.
She will poke you with her staff.
Pokey!